Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. In today's video, I'm making orange and poppy seed cake. If you want something different for Christmas other than the traditional Christmas pudding, this is what to try. I will turn my oven on 150 degrees while I'm mixing my cake. In a bowl, I have melted unsalted butter, and I will add some caster sugar. I love caster sugar because it's easy to dissolve. It dissolves quickly. I'll mix it all together, mix well, and then I have 3 eggs, medium eggs, that I will be adding one at a time, one beaten egg at a time, and keep mixing. I wanted to say thank you to all my followers who have been sharing my video and liking. Today's hug goes to Ferdi, Miss Eben, watching from Yaoundé, Cameroon. The next thing to do here is to add my orange zest, and I will keep the rest of the orange for the juice, which I will use later in the process. So I keep mixing. This cake is definitely going to be on my table, on my Christmas table. Mix it very well. And then the next thing to do is to get another bowl. Add some flour, baking powder, and fold everything into the mixture with the poppy seed. If you don't like poppy seed, just use orange. It's going to be an orange cake, which is still good. So mix everything well. Feel free to use your hand mixer if you have one. I will add my milk at this stage, fold it again, and my orange juice, which I kept earlier on. I'm using my spatula. It takes a bit longer, but it's I just like spatula. Spatula. So once I finish the mixing, I will now get the baking tin. I will put a layer of butter and a bit of flour before adding pouring my mixture. The baking tin with a bit of butter and flour prevents the cake from sticking on the tin. Once I've done that, I will place the cake in the middle of the oven for 40 minutes, and I will be checking. Keep watching my video, and I will send you hugs. Keep being active. 40 minutes later, I will check my cake, and it's all ready, it's brown, and it's cooked. I will let it to rest, and I can take it out of the tin. Cake with Greek yogurt and strawberries. So delicious. Bon appétit. See you in my next video. Merry Christmas.